How to cancel a pending transaction on Cash App. It's a very simple and quick process, so let's get into the video. Let me head over to one of the article which is gonna help you out on how to do so. So in here you can see it says to cancel a pending order. The very first step you wanna do is to tap the activity tab on your Cash App home screen. Once you have done that, press cancel on the pending stock purchase. After that, a confirm option will appear on your screen. All you want to do is tap on yes. But the thing is, you can only cancel orders that has not been executed. Depending on a number of factors, we cannot guarantee that any cancellation request will be fulfilled. So you need to make sure that before canceling the pending order, you have to make sure that the orders has not been executed yet. Well, if it has not been executed and if you tap on confirm, then your pending order will be cancelled successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to cancel pending transaction on Cash App. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. Well, if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.